Potato starch, one renewable raw material, infinite applications. Potato starch is used in countless applications, in food, paper, chemical products, adhesives, and many other technical areas. We are one of the biggest producers of potato starch, Südstärke. Our sites in Zunching and Schrobenhausen, both situated in Bavaria in southern Germany, process around 600,000 tons of potatoes annually, consuming about 1/3 of the total potato crop of Bavaria. From this crop, we manufacture around 150,000 tons of potato starch per year. Südstärke operates as a farm cooperative. Our contractual growers are cooperative shareholders and thus benefit from the financial success of the company. During the starch production campaign, usually running August until January, the growers deliver our raw material, potatoes. Upon delivery, a grabber picks up samples to check the quality of the potatoes. Raw material warehouses at our production sites can store up to 13,000 tons of potatoes to feed into our 24/7 starch production. About 250 tons of potatoes are cleaned thoroughly per hour in multiple washing steps. Only then are the potatoes ready for production. Special graters grind the potatoes into ultra-fine shreds to expose the starch grains. And decanters separate the potato juice from the shreds. Subsequent sieves wash out the starch grains from the shreds. The potato fibers remaining on the sieves are collected and processed to potato pulp, used as high-quality animal feed. The starch slurry is further concentrated in separators and cleaned from fine fibers. After an additional refinement step using hydrocyclones and fine sieves, the starch slurry is pumped to the drying equipment. There, the native starch is dried with indirect heat flash dryers. That way, we produce about 1,500 tons of starch per day that we transport to our large storage silos with a specially designed suction system. By the way, this silo in Zunching can store up to 40,000 tons of starch and is the second largest of its kind in Europe. Alternatively, we can package starch in paper bags and super sacks and store them in a large finished goods warehouse on site. For many applications, native starch has to be refined by further processing in Südstärke plants. Our pre-gelatinization plant in Zunching processes about 20,000 tons of native starch annually. It manufactures chemically and physically modified starches that are pre-gelatinized and thus cold water soluble. Our wet modification plant in Schrobenhausen manufactures chemically modified hot water soluble starches. In addition, we offer customers extruded starches with a high surface area and low bulk density, and dextrin products with tailored viscosity and solubility. By the way, our process of starch manufacturing doesn't produce any waste. We separate potato protein from the potato juice and process it into a GMO-free and highly valuable feed additive. The protein-depleted potato juice is concentrated in vacuum evaporators to form a very effective fertilizer molasses. The continuous high quality of our products and services ensure maximum reliability for our customers. We constantly innovate, and we act responsibly towards our growers, partners, customers, and employees. Sustainable for more than 100 years.